My name is Sam Goldstein, and I'm a director of engineering at GitLab. GitLab team just released our 13.10 milestone, so another great release out there. And I'm here today to talk to you about the retrospective that we do after every release to learn as many lessons and improvements as we can. So I'm going to be talking through 4 topics. What praise do we have for the team? What went well this milestone? What went wrong? And what can we improve? Let's talk about praise. We've got a set of praise in the doc that lots of people contributed to. One thing I just want to highlight here is that GitLab, we think it's very important to say thanks as part of our collaboration value. And so we try to do that here and through a lot of other things. So keep that in mind, say thank you when people help you. What went well this milestone? There's a bunch of stuff in the doc. It's a little hard to pull out themes, like really clear themes this time. So I'll just highlight a few things. There were some noteworthy community contributions, something that we love to see at GitLab. Progress on the primary key migration project, which is a very important availability project that the database team is tackling. We saw our highest MR ARR month to date. So great progress on that metric. Shipped some major UX improvements related to the SUS score. That's our user experience score that we do. Set of other things as well. So quite a few things went well this time. What went wrong this milestone? I think the biggest thing that was highlighted from the team's contributions to the shared retro here was the shift in focus, that we saw an uptick in incidents and availability related issues on GitLab.com. And so a lot of teams, most of our teams shifted effort at some point in the milestone to really help address that. And good news is that we've seen a lot of improvements there, but obviously that can be disruptive to teams' normal planning process. How can we improve? Something we're always looking to do. A couple of themes that I'd like to highlight here. A developer experience was called out. There's some teams looking at how can we improve the experience of our own developers here at GitLab, as well as community contributors that could benefit from that. End-to-end testing, something we talked about in the last retro and continues to be a theme. More and more teams, it seems, looking for how do we get more involved in that? How do we make that more efficient? On-call development escalations was another topic that was touched on here. And there's some interest in looking at how do we improve that process, both from the kind of engineer's perspective, as well as from an organizational perspective. Thank you for listening to my summary. I hope that you'll join me tomorrow for the retrospective discussion. We'll be meeting as a team to talk through some discussion topics and highlight various things that I've talked about here or that we're tracking between retrospectives. That discussion will happen Tuesday, April 6th, which is tomorrow at 15:30 UTC. That's 8:30 a.m. in Pacific time on the West Coast of the US. Hope to see you there and have a great day.